Good afternoon, my dear students. Are you safe at home? Okay. We are going to the next class. And before that, I am welcoming all of you to the class. Are you ready? Are you ready to hear the class? Then, we are going to the next chapter. That's a poem by Ruskin Bond. Make room for elephants. Make room for elephants. Yes, we are beginning. Okay. Before that, I am asking questions. Where do you live? All of you know that we are living at home. All the living beings have their own homes to live. Okay. All of you know that. All the living beings have their own homes. What we get from home? We feel more safety and comfortable at home. Okay. All of you know that we feel safety and comfortable at home. So, we love to be at home. We love to be at home. Okay. We feel very safe at home and comfortable. Happy. We are very happy at home. Okay. Then what make a home? What make a home means when an animal or other living beings making home, what do they consider? They take. What do they take? They select a place where they get food, shelter and space. Then they make a home. Okay. Then as to suitable to their, as to apt to their habitat. Habitat means naturally living place, or an animal or a plant that grows in a natural place, that natural way, that grows in a natural way, that is a habitat. Then they select their habitat. They select a home that's suitable to their habitat. Okay. Then here what type of homes we can see? Some homes are man-made, some homes are natural, some are made by the animals. We can see some animals, name of some animals here and the living places. Okay, can you see? Then some animals, names of some animals and living places. Okay, can you identify which are the living places, which are the homes that made by the animals themselves, or which are the homes that made by the human beings, or which are the living places that made by the which are the places that are natural living places, and man-made living places and animal-made living places are here. Okay. Then where do the bees live? Where do the bees live? They live in the hive. Is it a natural thing or a man-made or a made by the bees themselves? All of you know that this hive, bee hive, is made by the bees. These are made by the bees means this is a animal made. This is an animal made home. This is an animal made home. Okay. Bee hive or hive is made by the bees. So this is made by the animal themselves. Animals. Okay. Dog. Where do the dogs live? Dogs live in kennel. Dogs live in kennel. Are they made by dogs? Or are they natural? Or are they made by the human beings? Or man-made? Are they made by the human beings or man-made? The kennels are man-made. All of you know dogs are not making kennel. They are made by the human beings. Or we are making kennel for the dogs. So they are man-made. Kennels are man-made. Kennels are man-made. Then rabbit. Where do the rabbits live? Where do the rabbits live? All of you are saying the answers. Oh, okay, I know. You have studied in the last year, in your last classes. You have studied a rabbit living burrow. Rabbit living burrow. Are they making this burrow? Rabbits are making this burrow. Yeah, they are making. Not. They are not making burrow. They are natural. They are natural living place. This burrow is a natural living place. Then horse. Horse, where do the horse live? Where does the horse live? Stable. They are man-made. Stable is man-made. Stable is man-made. Okay. Lion. Where do the lions live? Then they are living in den. They are living in den. Then are they made by the lion? No, they are natural living place. They are naturally made. These dens are naturally made. Dens are naturally made. Okay. Then birds. All of you noticed. Have you noticed the birds making nest? How do they make nest? Then they are picking twigs and small branches and make nest. Then they are making their nest by themselves. These birds making their nest by themselves. So, all we understood that all the living beings have their own homes to live safely and comfortably and happily. Okay, to live safely and comfortably and happily. So, all the living beings have their own living places. Okay, here then we are going to the chapter Make Room for Elephants. Okay, make room for the elephants. Okay. Have you enjoyed? Have you enjoyed guests coming to your home? Do you like guests coming to your home and sharing your things with them? Do you like to share your things with them? Most of us like to share. We are very willingly share, or we are very happily sharing the things with our guests. All of us like it. Okay. But sometime resources may be very limited. Then it needed for a lot of time, and resources may be very limited. We cannot. Then they need more space and food at that time, and there may be lot of people at that time. We cannot enjoy that. We cannot enjoy it. Sometimes only. Somebody cannot enjoy that. Okay. Here we are going to study a chapter that says the coming of when an elephant come to our house, but the poet feels. Here the poet's name is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. Then make room for elephants. Okay. Then what do you know about elephants? Elephants are very, elephants are very big. They are very big. They need more space and food. They need more space and food. Do you like to have elephants? Do you like to have elephants in your home? Then you may like it because you like the elephants. Children like the elephants. Don't you? You like elephants very much, but it need more effort to keep it. Okay, to keep an elephant needed more effort and money. Sometimes our elders may not allow. They needed more finance for that. Okay. Here then we are going to then before that I am asking one more question. That's, do you like pets? All of you like. Okay, all of you like pets. Okay, you children, you like pets. Then do you like to share your things? You like to share your things with your pets? Okay, I know you all of you like to share your things with your pets. Here the poet Ruskin Bond says he likes to share his room with a baby elephant. Then he also is very sure that his father also will be very happy to share his garage, because he is very kindful to animals. but he is somewhat suspecting, he is somewhat doubtful about his mother. When these elephants come together, when the family of these elephants come together, what would happen? He cannot know, he could not say anything about it. That is going to say in this poem. Okay, we are going to the poem. Okay, all of you take your textbook and listen and read as I am reading. Okay. I know the world is a crowded place and elephants do take up a space. But if it make a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother to this dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. To elephants, he's more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if their aunts and uncles came to stay. Then who is the poet? Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian writer. He is an Indian writer who writes in English. Okay. Here. Then we can see, I know the word say how crowded place. Word apostrophe yes. How can you pronounce? Word is a crowded place. What do you mean by crowded place? Yeah, full of people. Word has full of people. So word is a crowded place. It's a full of place. Full of people in the word. Word is a crowded place. Word is a crowded place. There is full of people in the world. Okay. And elephants do take up a space. Elephants need more space in this world. Elephants are biggest animals on the land, so they need more space on the land. Okay. And elephants do take up space means elephants needed more space in this world. Elephants needed more space, more space in this world. But if it make a difference means if there is a change, if it make a difference, Lord, oh God, Lord means oh God, I would gladly means happily, I would gladly means I would happily. I would gladly. It is pronounced as I would. I apostrophe D is pronounced as I would. We can read it as I would. I would gladly. Gladly means happily. I would gladly means I would happily share my room and board. What do you mean by room and board? Food and a place to stay. Food and a place to stay. Then the poet is ready to. The poet is ready to share his food and his home, his room. Food and his room for whom? Food and his room for whom? Yeah, say. Yeah, your answer is correct. With the food and his room for a baby elephant. For a baby elephant. I would gladly share. The poet is very happy to share his room and board, or his food and his place to stay. I would gladly share my room and board means he would happily share his food and his room. Okay, so food and his place. Okay, a baby elephant would do. If it is a baby elephant, it is the space is enough. The baby elephant is very small, so his home is very needed for it. It is enough to stay for this baby elephant. So the poet is ready to share his food and room, or food and his place. Food and his place with this baby elephant. Okay, clear to you? Is it clear? Okay. This if a baby elephant come to his house, he is ready to. The poet is ready as a child. He is ready to share his food and place. Ready? Clear? Yeah. If a baby elephant come to his house, if a baby elephant comes to his house, he would he is very gladly share. He is ready to share his food and place. He is ready to share his food and place. Okay. A baby elephant would do. A baby elephant would come to his home. He is ready to share his food and place. Okay. But if he brings his mother too, if this baby elephant brings his mother too, mother also, if he brings his mother also, what would happen? There is a dad's garage. There is a dad's garage. Garage means a shed for vehicles, to keep the vehicles. A shed to keep the vehicle. Then where can he stay? There is no if the big elephant, baby elephant's mother would be a big elephant. You know that. So when this baby elephant's mother comes to his home, where could he stay? Where could she stay? She could stay in a garage or dad's garage. She could stay in the dad's or poet's father's garage. Father's garage. Garage means the place or a shed to keep the vehicles like that. Okay. This dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. He wouldn't mind means he would not care it. He like it. He wouldn't mind means he would not care it. He like to keep the mother elephant in his garage. Whose garage? Dad's garage or the poet's father's garage. Poet's father is very kindful to animals. The poet's father is very kindful to animals or elephants, and he loves animals. So he is very ready. He is ready to keep this baby elephant's mother in his garage. Okay, is it clear to you? I think it is clear to you. Okay, am I right? Am I right? Shall I proceed? Shall I go to the next line? Okay. He wouldn't mind. He wouldn't mind means he would not care or he likes it. He likes to keep this baby elephant's mother in his garage. Baby elephant's mother in his garage. Okay. To elephants he is more than kind. Why? He is more kindful to elephants. That's why. Who is more kindful to elephants? Yeah, this poet's father. Poet's father is more kindful to whom? Elephants. So he must be, the poet is sure. The poet is sure his father would be ready to keep this mother elephant in his garage. The poet's father would be ready to keep this mother elephant in his garage because he knows that his father is very kindful to elephants. His father is very kindful to elephants. Okay. Is more than kind. But I wonder, I surprise. I wonder means I surprise. Surprise or I amazed. I surprise or I amazed that I wonder what our mom would say. But he is not sure. Who is not sure? The poet is not sure. What would his mom say? What would his mom say? What would be the reaction of his mother? He cannot say. Why he cannot say? But I wonder that what our mother would say. He is surprised. He is amazed. He is amazed that what would his mother say? What would be the reaction of his mother? If their aunts and uncles came to stay, if more and more elephants, if this baby elephants, uncles and aunts, then there would be more elephants. Then they needed more and more space and food. That means they need more room and board. They need more room and board. Then when these elephants come in a group, then they need more room and board. Then he is not sure whether or if his mother would be ready to stay them there. Mother would ready to stay them there. He was not sure because it needed more space and food, more place and food. It needed more, their resources may be very limited. So when these elephants came there, they needed more food and place, So he is not sure whether his mother would allow them to stay there. His mother would allow these elephants. When they are coming in herd, more and more elephants come to there. He was not sure whether his mother would allow or his mother would agree to stay them there. Whether would allow to, or he will be happy, whether she would be happy to stay them there. Okay. It's written by Ruskin Bond. Okay. This poem, is it clear for you? This poem is clear for you? I think all of you are clear it. Then shall I read the poem once again. Okay. I know the world is a crowded place. I understand. I know the world is a crowded place, means full of people. This crowded place means full of people. I know the world is a crowded place and elephants do take up space. Elephants take up space means elephant take more space. But if it make a difference means if it makes a change, Lord, oh God, I would gladly share my room and board. I am very happy to share my room and board, or I am very happy to share my food and place, or food and my home. This poet is very glad to share his food and board, or his place, food and place. A baby elephant would do. Then if it is a baby elephant, he is very happy to share his room and food. But if he brings his mother too, if he brings his mother also, there is dad's garage. We can keep it in our dad's in my dad's garage. If he brings his mother also, we can keep her, this mother elephant, in my dad's garage, in my dad's shed. He wouldn't mind, then he would not care it. He would like it to keep the mother elephant in his garage. To elephants, he is more kind because he is kindful to elephants. He is very sure that he would keep this mother elephant in his garage. My father should keep this mother elephant in his garage because he is more kindful to elephants. But I wonder, I surprise, I amaze what our mom would say. He cannot say anything about his mother. He cannot say anything about his mother if their aunts and uncle came to stay. If his mother, this baby elephants, uncles and aunts came together to stay, what would his mother say? He is not sure. He is not sure. He cannot say anything at all. He cannot assure that she would allow to stay them together there because it needed more and more food and place. It needed more and more food and place. It is not possible for them. Okay. Then I am going to the next activity. Read and write. Read and write. Read and write. Fill in the blanks. All of you understood the poem? Then you can write it very well. Okay. The word is what is it saying in the poem? Word is a crowded place. 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 Elephants take up a What do elephants take? Yeah, very good. Elephant take up a space. Elephant take up space. Elephants take a space. Then elephants take a space. Elephant take a small place. They needed more place to live. Next. The poet is willing to share with a dash with a baby elephant. The poet is willing to share. What does the poet willing to share? Yeah, he is willing to share his room and board. The poet is willing to share his room and board. The poet is willing to share his room and board. Share his room and board. Okay. With a baby elephant. He is ready to share his room and board with a baby elephant. Okay. Okay. Shall I go to the fourth one? Yeah. Then are you reading with me? Okay. Are you reading? Okay. Fourth one. The poet plans to keep the elephants dash in her or his father's garage. What was the poet's plan? Then who is going to be kept in the dad's garage? Who is going to be kept? Yeah, whom is going to be kept? Yeah, his poet's mother. Elephant's mother is going to be kept in the dad's garage. Elephant's mother is going to be kept. Mother. Elephant's mother. If the mother elephant came there, she would be kept in the father's garage. Okay. Father's garage. And next one. Fifth one. The poet does not think he or his dash would be happy if the baby elephant's relatives stayed with them. Who would not be happy if the baby elephant's relatives or uncles and aunts came to stay there? Who would not be happy? Yeah, mother would not be. Poet's mother, not the elephant's mother. Poet's mother would not be happy. Would not be. Poet's mother would not be his. Yes, next one. Okay. B. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Shall I read it? Shall I read it? Answer these questions. There are 3 questions here. Which are they? There are 3 questions. First one. Okay. Are you ready? First one. Yeah. The poet says she or he would gladly offer her or his room to the elephant. What does this tell you about the poet? Once again I am reading. The poet says he or she would gladly offer her or his room to the elephant. To the elephant. What does this tell you about the poet? The poet is ready to share his room, board and room with the elephant. What does this tell about the poet? What do you know about the poet? What do you understand about the poet then? He is ready to share his room and food, room and board. Then, what do you understand about the poet? Yes, he is very kindful and lovable towards the elephants. He is very kindful and lovable towards the elephants. Okay, next one. What will the poet's father not mind? Why? What will the poet's father not mind? Yeah, the poet's father will not mind to keep the elephant's mother in his garage. The poet's father will not mind to keep the elephant's mother in his garage. Why? Because he is more kindful. Who is more kindful? Poet's father is more kindful towards elephants. Okay. Poet's father is more kindful towards elephants. That's the answer. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Third one. If the elephants came to live with the poet, would her or his mother be happy or angry? Give reason for your answer. You can write your own answer here. She would be happy or angry. Sometimes you can write happy, sometimes you can write angry, or sometimes you can write happy. What would be your answer? You can write the reason also. If you are writing angry, we cannot say, we can say he could not he could not say whether he would be angry or he would not be whether he would be happy, because if they come together, if these elephants, a lot of elephants are coming together, there would be a limitation of resources, or there would not be a limitation of food and food and space. There would be a limitation of, there would not enough, there would not be ready, there were no enough space and food. Okay, the resources may be very limited there. So they could not, she will not be happy in keeping all the elephants there. That's the answer. Okay, today I am going to, then what you would do, you should write the difficult words like crowded, difference and garage. These words in your notebook or copy, and write the spellings, and write these activities also, this question answer and this fill in the blanks also in your notebook, and read the textbook several times. Okay, today I am going to wind up this class. Be careful and safe at home. Okay, thank you.